Welcome back, travel fans and trip planners. In this video, we will show you 3 things to do in Cairns, Australia, home of the Great Barrier Reef. Visiting Fitzroy Island in Cairns is an unforgettable tropical adventure that combines natural beauty, relaxation and adventure. Fitzroy Island is just 29 kilometres, which is about 45 minutes by ferry from Cairns. Ferries depart multiple times daily from Cairns Marina, making it a perfect day trip or overnight getaway. Book your tours in advance as they sell out pretty quickly. If you get to the ferry terminal early, there is a really nice cafe with amazing breakfast. The ride itself offers gorgeous views of the sea. If you tend to get seasick though, it is a good idea to take your medication before you get on the boat. The water in this area can get pretty rough. Visiting Fitzroy Island means swimming with turtles, lounging on world-class beaches, hiking trails, and soaking up the sun in a tropical paradise. Whether you're seeking adventure or a peaceful escape, Fitzroy Island is a must-see when you're in Cairns. Here are some interesting fun facts about Fitzroy Island. Did you know that the island and its surrounding reefs are part of the Great Barrier Reef, a World Heritage Site? About 97% of the island is national park, so you'll find walking trails through dense rainforest, home to beautiful butterflies, birds, and even lizards. And the most famous nudie beach is often voted one of Australia's best. Don't worry, it's family friendly despite the name. Expect soft white sand and crystal clear water. The coral reef just off the shore makes Fitzroy Island a snorkeling paradise. Expect to see colourful fish, sea turtles and vibrant coral gardens just meters from the beach. The island also offers introductory and certified scuba diving experiences. This is a great spot to snorkel the Great Barrier Reef if you are not a strong swimmer or unable to scuba dive. Fitzroy Island offers several hiking trails within the national park, ranging from easy rainforest walks to more challenging climbs with panoramic views. The trek to Nudie Beach is famous for its contrasting beauty, from the vivid green rainforest to the giant granite boulders and the stunning blue waters. Please allow 45 minutes return and take good shoes and plenty of water. And of course, don't forget to bring your beach gear, as this brings you to Australia's #1 most beautiful beach. Riding the glass bottom boat at Fitzroy Island is an ideal way to experience the spectacular marine life of the Great Barrier Reef, especially if you prefer to stay dry or want to complement your snorkeling adventures. The tour departs right from Fitzroy Island, taking you on a gentle cruise over the coral reef. The boat has specially designed panels of glass in the middle, giving you a clear underwater window into the bustling world below. Some of the advantages about the glass-bottom boat is that you'll drift above colourful coral formations, hard and soft, in all shapes and sizes, just meters below the surface. Look for schools of fish, giant clams, rays, sea cucumbers, and sometimes even small reef sharks. The tour typically lasts about 30 to 45 minutes. A glass-bottom boat tour at Fitzroy Island is a relaxing, fun and informative way to experience the magical world of Great Barrier Reef. It's perfect for all ages and abilities, offering a unique window to tropical fish, colourful coral, and maybe even a sea turtle or two, all without even getting wet. The island has a beachfront restaurant and bar, serving everything from fresh seafood to classic Aussie favourites. There's also a general store if you want snacks, but bring your own supplies if you have specific needs. The vibe is laid back and uncrowded, less touristy than some other reef islands, so you can truly relax. Visiting Fitzroy Island combines the Great Barrier Reef's beauty with tropical rainforest, all on one easily accessible island. The price for a full-day tour of Fitzroy Island is around 150 Australian dollars per person. Visiting the Skyrail Rainforest Cableway in Cairns is one of the most iconic and breathtaking experiences in tropical North Queensland. The Skyrail is an award-winning cable car experience that glides you 7.5 kilometres over and through the ancient rainforest. It takes you through the suburbs of Smithfield and the charming mountain village of Kuranda. A round trip will cost you around $100 AUD per person. There are two main stops along the cable car. The first stop is the Red Peak Station, where you can take a boardwalk stroll amongst the ancient ferns and giant trees. You can also join a guided tour to learn about the unique plants and trees in the area. The second stop is the Barron Falls Station, featuring amazing lookouts over the dramatic Barron Gorge and its famous waterfall. It's spectacular all year round, but especially during wet season. At the top of the cable car, explore Kuranda Village. Here you can enjoy markets, cafes, wildlife attractions like the Butterfly Sanctuary, and indigenous arts and crafts. A one-way journey takes about 1.5 hours, including stops, but plan around 3 to 4 hours if you want to explore Kuranda and return.
Probably a little bit like a cordial.
The Cairns Butterfly Sanctuary is a must-visit attraction for nature lovers and families visiting tropical North Queensland. This attraction is in Kuranda Village, which is accessible via the cable car. The Butterfly Sanctuary offers a magical experience where you can get up close and personal with hundreds of free-flying butterflies. The cost is about $25 Australian per person. Here are a few fun facts about the Butterfly Sanctuary. Did you know that it is one of the largest butterfly sanctuary in Australia? It is also the largest in the Southern Hemisphere, housing around 1,500 free-flying tropical butterflies. Visiting the Kuranda Butterfly Sanctuary is like stepping into a live rainbow. Don't miss it when you're in Cairns. When you are also done here, feel free to take the cable car back to the car park. Riding the Cableway in Cairns is more than just a mode of transport. It's a journey through one of the world's oldest and most beautiful rainforests. With informative stops at Red Peak and Barron Falls, it's a blend of adventure, education, and relaxation that appeals to all ages. Cairns is the tropical heart of far north Queensland, a lively getaway city to the Great Barrier Reef. Let's visit Cairns City with the spotlight on the iconic casino and the always popular Dundee restaurant. Cairns City is very walkable. You can easily go from the ferry terminal to Dundee's and then the casino within minutes. The original Dundee's on the waterfront is right by the marina, offering unbeatable views, especially during sunset. They are famous for their fresh local seafood. We got the seafood platter, which was massive and incredible. It tasted delicious. The only casino in Cairns, the Reef Hotel Casino, is housed in a tropical modern building in the city's heart, just steps from the waterfront. The vibe at the casino is friendly and lively, but not overwhelming. There are several bars and restaurants on site. This is a great spot for an evening entertainment after a day on the reef or in the rainforest. Thanks for watching! Consider these 3 activities next time you visit Cairns, Australia, near the Great Barrier Reef. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Until next time, let's go and get lost!